What's up you guys, it's Layla Ray and we are back again with another video, and this time we are featuring my holy grail hair product. And this is the 2112 collagen hair mask, and this product is just amazing. This mask helps boost your hair growth, and it also just promotes healthy hair all around, and it has the perfect blend of collagen and keratin to add to your hair. And when I tell you that this mask works like magic, it works like magic. I wish you guys can actually feel how soft and smooth my hair is right now. Every time I use this mask, even if I use it as just conditioner and I don't leave it in for 10 minutes, my hair is still super soft and just easy to comb through and super easy to style. Now I'm quickly going to style my hair. I'm gonna dry it. I did not put any product in it. I just used the mask, so you guys will see the end result on how my hair looks when it's done. So I just finished blowing out my hair, and as you can see, my hair looks super shiny, very healthy, and it also just feels so smooth and soft. It just feels so good. I'm obsessed with this product. It's definitely a must have. I haven't put anything in my hair, but I am about to spray the anti-humectic spray just to help with any frizz against the humidity. So I'm just quickly gonna spray this, and then we are fully done.